the humans, welcome back to another video. So it's currently the 4th of July, even though it's actually the 6th of July, but whatever. Like, it literally sounds like Japan in 1940 right now. I'm not kidding. But yeah, anyways, today I'll be launching some Japanese beetles into the skies with my roll of tape and with some fireworks. So yeah, first of all, I want to get some Japanese beetles. I got like 5, and yeah, I'll need more than 0 hands for that. So yeah, we are now going to place, aka that place. Okay, we are now starting the bomb process. Except, yeah, and our boss is going to use that cone of TNT for the Japanese beetle process, because it's the biggest one he can find. But yeah, here's one of the spinner bombs. It died off like in 2 seconds. Okay, actually we're not going to use the cone one because it's going to be too big. We're going to use this one. So yeah, we're not going to tape it onto here. Hopefully this won't end badly. It probably will though. Okay, we will now tape the Japanese beetles, and he only got 3. But good thing they're all sleeping right now, because there's 4 actually, because it's really late and these beetles actually sleep for some reason, and by that we mean moving less. But yeah, it is taped. Yes. Is it gonna explode? Yes, it didn't explode, but yet look at my new creation. The ultimate Japanese beetle tape. Okay, you can't even see it. There you go. They're all on now. There's one thing left to do. Light it. Yes, time to light it. Okay, yes, it is the Japanese beetle. Oh. Oh my god. It's probably not going to work because there's beetles on it. Of course it didn't work. Okay. Good, they're still inside. There's gonna be left there an unexploded bomb forever. Really sad. We might take them off, but there's a risk that it will explode again. So, yeah, we will not take them off. Okay, I am back at the Japanese beetle searching place, and if you're wondering why I sound weird, that's because I'm like holding the light between my chin. Oh yeah, I'm gonna spare this Christmas beetle's life, but I will not spare all the Japanese beetle's life. So yeah, one of them escaped, but I got 2 more. Why there's so many June beetles? They're not called Christmas beetles. Christmas beetles are like, it's extinct already. Or is that June beetles? I don't know. Why are there so many of these June beetles now? I already saw like 4 of them. I only saw a couple of Japanese beetles. It's all June beetles now. Okay, I found one. Time to pause this video because I have like no hands, so yeah. Okay, we're going to explode 2 of them with that cone bomb. This is a very goofy way to light your bombs, with a candle and a stick. Not focusing. You can't even see it, even with our full flashlights on. But yeah, there's only 2 Japanese beetles on the stick.
Actually, the sun facts no cap. Look. Look, it's actually. Oh wait, you can kind of tell it's a candle.
Mine still can't. Look at this amazing. Look at mine amazing.
Bro, it's literally just a dot.
Stop criticizing the best version of iPhone.
My iPhone is 5 versions.
What is that dot? Okay. Nothing is happening yet. I bet the Japanese beetles are like burning right now.
I bet it smells so good over there.
Yeah.
Except I bet if I were over there, I would be sneezing every 2 seconds.
At least the beetles were having a good death. They're warm and they have good smell when they die.
Also, my phone can tell that it's a candle very well now.
Unlike the deaths of all the other Japanese beetles, there's a bad smell and it's like burning, baking hot because of the 2 layers of plastic around them. Okay, is it gonna burst? Because last time it bursted, but it didn't burst the actual bomb. It just made a bursting sound, and that's it.
Burning stuff for America.
God save the Japanese beetles again. Okay, you know what? We're not going to use bombs anymore. We're now going to use. We're now going to use the burning sticks. Okay. It's gonna go into the tree. Okay, yeah. Okay, it has been lightened again. But it died out again. Okay, I've come up with a new idea. We put them in this place. That will probably survive being burned. And then we just like torch this whole thing while they're inside. So yeah. Okay. We are now going to light the torch. Is that like? Wait, is there pan beets inside? Yes, there's Japanese beetles inside of that pit. Wait, is there explosives? Yeah, there's also explosives inside. So there's. Yeah, that is clearly better than what I'm doing.
Baba, this is such a great fireworks show.
Wait, how many Japanese beetles are there?
2.
Okay, there's 2 Japanese beetles inside, and there's also like 2 bombs. It's a truly amazing death. Very disappointing. No explosion. No Japanese beetle explosion. So yeah, I guess we'll just have to use this one. Oh. Okay, it did explode. But it was just the sound, it wasn't an actual explosion. Okay, now both have exploded. So yeah. Okay, now time to actually light this. Wait, what is
There, be sure. Get shredded. Didn't work.
Okay, it is things that will explode when you hit it on the ground. It can be used as a weapon, I guess. Yeah, it's just throwing a bunch of mines on the ground. Oh, stop throwing it at me. Throwing it at me. Yeah, it's just dropping a bunch of mines on the ground if you don't explode it, if you don't hit it hard enough. There's just gonna be a whole bunch of unexploded bombs. Oh my god. On the ground. Okay, I will take 2 of them. Oh my god, one escaped. So I guess I'll just take one of them. But I'm using a new type of bomb, which is the type that explodes on contact. So yeah. Prepare. Okay, it missed all of them, like I thought. Good job, you survived. Back to the pit. It is the Kindle. There's still 2 Japanese beetles inside. No, I don't want that. I don't want. Don't want. It's gonna miss all the Japanese beetles.
这个可能刚才不就是怕小一声吗？不知道是不是。
Okay, I have more now. Wait, I have an idea. How about I'm just gonna fill a pit with both this and Japanese beetles, and then I'll just throw rocks at the pit so that it will explode with the Japanese beetles, and then I won't have to worry about aim. So yeah. So meanwhile, let's check on the periwinkles because whatever. Why is there a slug? So yeah. The periwinkles are obviously gonna have to escape because they always try to. Oh my god, it's really hard opening this with one hand. Okay. And yeah, none of them are eating the rocks. Well, one is, but the rest are all doing their random stuff. So yeah. Now let's now let's make the pit with my shovel and with these. I was about to step on these bombs. Oh my god. If I step on them, then my feet will explode off. Okay, whatever. Time to dig my pit. Okay, I've got 3. I will save the last 4 for the sparkle burning thingy. So yeah, time to put them in, and then hopefully my aim won't be really terrible. I will throw a rock at it. So yeah, time to get the rock. Okay, time to do it. Okay, that was bad.
Bruh!
And very bad. Okay, how about this? Okay, will the metal be damaged?
不会的，
Okay.
我就是怕你被 damage. Brother, you're gonna damage the light or me.
I'm coaching away.
Just hit it really close.
Bruh. It's a pit. It is a pit. I cannot hit a pit. Okay. That was a very amazing execution. I probably just crushed all of them. Come on, explode. Okay, there you go. There you go. They're still alive. Just hit them a bit more. Okay. There's still bombs that haven't exploded, which is bad. Because then it can just be like a mine. And mines are dangerous. But yeah. Whatever. Okay. Now time for the actual mess. Okay. We are now using the sparkle thing. It's almost out though. And I just realized it's a bad idea because I only have one hand. So okay, it went out too quickly. Okay, I need a new one. Need a new one. Time to do it.
Burn them.
Yes.
I think it's good.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay, it's actually not working. Look at them. Look at them. Trying to escape.
从下边烧，从下边往上烧。
Oh yes. Touch them.
哎呦我的妈呀！你这个孩子。
惨着呢。行了，把手收了，
Okay, good job.
收灭了。
They've officially died. So yeah.
This looks
Here
great
is the
Harry Potter
aftermath.
puns we could do with this Lumos.
No way. Here is the aftermath.
怎么都给它烧完了呢？
Okay.
Lumos noises.
Okay. Now time for another
That's the wrong. I'm using the wrong show.
Lumos. Okay. Yeah. Now. Oh my God! I just exploded my own foot. Okay. Time to dump some Japanese beetles in fire. That would be a pretty good way to die, as you can tell.
扔进去，
Okay,
把虫子扔到那个。
here are the Japanese
哎呀，
beetles.
这么呛！
I have 4 of them. No, I have 5 of them.
那给你摘了，你先把塑料都烧了。行行行，
Future.
我给你点，你照吧。
Future.
Okay, they're still alive right now.
Future.
行了，宋律师，你就成了一个 animal abuse 的一
The
个。
boy who lived come to die. Avada Kedavra.
No.
行，死了。
Time to try to spot the Japanese beetles again. Over there, I guess. They've all been burnt to ashes already, so we can't really see them. But yeah, it's certainly a lot better death than the classic drowning inside feces and corpses death. I gave them mercy, unlike how thousands of others died. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed this amazing video. This is the only chance about it. This experiment with some bombs and beetles. I wanted to last year, but didn't get to. So yeah, and see you in tomorrow's video. I'm not gonna film a video tomorrow. Yes, could have used that bottle. Yeah, but I'm not gonna film a video tomorrow because I already filmed 2 today. Because today I had to prepare the periwinkles and explode Japanese beetles. But yeah, see you next time and bye.